Hi friends, good evening to all. So welcome to AI with DURGA Sir in
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, at least 5 minutes. Really, remember that it is a magical concept. At least 2 minutes, at least 5 minutes. This type of thing is a really magical concept. Believe me, dosto. Okay, so consistency beats intensity. Okay, you are taking 4 hours, 8 hours per day. Instead of that, daily at least 2 minutes, daily at least 5 minutes. There's a big change is there in our overall output. Remember this part. So that's really, I'm enjoying the benefit. Okay, with these sessions, especially I saw the reality, the benefit. Okay, like most of the people we are always going to feel it should be completed within 10 days, within 1 month. Okay, like so no. So happily every day, at least 5 minutes, at least 10 minutes, at least 2 minutes. This type of style is going to make you perfect in any area, dosto. Remember, not only this one, anything, at least 2 minutes. A magic rule, okay, for success. Remember carefully. Okay. So now let me go for. I thought that there is a small revision session I want to take for last few days onwards. Okay, related to the Claude. Let me take that part today. Okay, the most valuable. So at the beginning days, almost around more than 10 sessions we completed. Just I told Claude, we have, it is LLM. Okay, it provide 3 types of flavors: Claude Code, Claude Cowork, and a Claude Chat. You know, next 2 ways are there to use the Claude: by using web, and by using desktop version. Okay, in the web, we have only one option is available. What is that option? Anyone can you please tell?
Chat.
Chat option only available in the web. But so if you want Cowork, if you want code, Claude Code, compulsory we require to go for what?
Desktop.
Desktop version. Okay, compulsory we require to go for desktop. Next, do you know there are multiple models are there in the Claude? Anyone can you please tell Claude models? Which models are there? Yes, Haiku. Next, Sonnet and Opus. New version also came, I hope 4.8 or something like a new version. A new version also came. Okay, like Opus. So among all these, for day-to-day activities, which one is the highly recommended? Sonnet is the highly recommended. But anyway, not that much major activity, a bit low level activity. Okay. So then obviously we require to go for what? Haiku. Okay. We require to go for haiku. But now, if you want, do you know? So something like it is the more important, more analysis must be required, deep analysis must be required. So it's a very excellent application. Like if you have such a type of technology, you have to go for which concept, sir? Anyone can you please? Opus is high-end model. Something like high-end model. If you go to the car, if you want to buy a car, high-end, middle, and a basic model. Like we have multiple models are there, right? High-end model, okay, basic model, okay, medium, okay, like we have multiple models are there. Okay, like the same way here also. So basic model is the haiku. Next regular model is a sonnet. Next premium model, premium model is a opus. Okay, like you people should be aware. Next, so how you can use Claude just for chatting purpose kind of thing. We discussed already something like ChatGPT. Oh, we did multiple days journey with the ChatGPT. But now, so just with the Claude, same question you can ask with the Claude also. Happily, Claude is going to tell. Sir, here do you know? I observed the difference. If I want to generate any code, some analysis must be required. Some more practical kind of thing must be required. Then my hand not moving for the ChatGPT. It's always moving for the Claude only. Okay, so N8N workflows I'm creating, in that JavaScript code is required. So my hand forcefully also, it can't go to the ChatGPT. Remember that. It's always going to move towards a Claude only. Because I don't know, Claude is the right person, okay, to generate JavaScript code, to analyze this problem, to fix this problem like automatically I got that feeling, man. Okay, some general notes generation, content generation, so or otherwise entry questions, or otherwise quiz, these kind of things. My hand are not going for Claude, my hand is going for
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Observe that. These days, I don't know that a difference automatically is happening. Today also, I spend minimum 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours with the Claude just on the JavaScript code while creating some N8N workflow. Okay, so how much time I spent? 3 to 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours. I did only one operation. What I did? 3 to 4 hours. I did only one operation. What I did?
Control C, Control V.
Control C,
Take the
control.
screenshot. Take the screenshot. Provide. Okay, this is the problem I'm facing. Then immediately it's going to tell. Then it's going to tell so and so modified code. Then I will paste. Executing, not executing. Provide. Array, believe me, what code it is generated, how it is going to work, all these things. Even I'm not interested to see that bleedy code also. Okay, my target is copy, paste. Copy, paste. Execute node. My expected thing is coming. Yes. Not coming. Take the screenshot. Provide. Enter. Then immediately, oh, it's not working. Let me modify this. Or otherwise, provide log file. Okay, console log file. It's going to ask. Then if I provide, oh, I identified the problem. Yes, this is the correct. So try this one. So if I try 10 times, 15 times, 20 times, automatically it's going to work. Which code it is generating, how it is going to be happen. So my personal feeling that it is not in my scope. It's not in my scope. It's not my job. My job is, Claude is responsible to do that. Okay, just generate copy paste is my required activity. In future, developer role is the same is going to be happen. Believe me. Of course, already happened it seems.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which code generated, which lines generated, what activity it is doing. But I'm very, fancy about coding. I'm very much fancy about coding. I want to know internally. But even my case also, that bloody code I don't want to see, man. Copy, paste. Working, well. Not working, take the screenshot. This is the thing which is happened. Anyway, so now observe, when we should go for ChatGPT, when we should go for Claude, is that clear for you people? Next, there is one more concept I explained. Okay, the first concept, of course, some general settings kind of thing I explained for you people. General settings kind of thing I explained. So what that settings is? So do you know? Yeah. Yeah, today morning I told, right, 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours I spend on the Claude. Observe this. How much history? Okay, generate N8N workflow to generate. So every time, just provide screenshot. It's not working. It's not working. Like I have to show. Copy paste, and so on. Like keep on. It's going to provide optimal code. Yeah. Screenshot. Then analyzed. Excellent. Almost completed. Okay, almost completed. But we need to add the filters. Yes, so this is the filter code. Dot, and so on. Not working. Then copy paste again. Screenshot. Like, Okay. Anyway, so first, I told in the settings. So here there is one capabilities like I showed. Okay, with respect to the memory. Do you know search and reference charts? While answering, yellow Claude to search for relevant details in the past charts. Okay, boss, can you please consider the past charts also? Please consider past charts also while answering. Then obviously we require to enable this one. Have you remembered, right? Dosto, I explained this concept.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
memory settings. Next, generate memory from the chart history. Generate memory from the chart history. Okay, like based on your chart history, have you remembered? I showed my memory. I showed my memory. It is remembered. This is Durga is working
Yes.
as a trainer. Like I showed yesterday, and I
Yesterday.
showed complete. It's going to remember my complete story, also. Okay. So for that, what we require is okay, this one pause memory, reset the memory. Okay, like so just here, like view under manager. Here have you observed? This is the memory. This is the memory. Here, what Claude remembers about you. This summary is generated each night and does not include projects which have their own specific memory. Projects has its own specific memory. Normal chart based. This is the information. It's considered work context. Durga is associated with DURGASOFT Online, an IT training company based on Amirpet, Hyderabad. It is captured that information about me. Next, personal context. Durga is comfortable with English communication and favors an energetic collective teaching style characterized friends. Have you got my point? And related Indian cultural analogies. This style appears central to Durga's professional identity, like a top of mind. Top of mind. Durga is actively building an automated N8N workflow to parse incoming Gmail orders with DURGASOFT Online. It is. Do you know? It's the next recent months. Durga conducted an extensive business analysis session. Okay, Q123. Like it remembered me about this one. That's all. So what is the first one, sir? The first one is while answering, it is going to consider previous charts information also. But second one, sir, second one is it is going to create memory based on your old charts. This memory is going to use so while providing the answers. Okay, like so. I hope everyone in the position to understand this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Paul. Suppose if I'm using memorize, can you please memorize these points about me? Can you please, Claude, can you please memorize where that information is going to be stored where in that memory? Just now I showed, right? Please memorize about me, or please memorize these points for the future sake. If I use this word, automatically this data where it's going to be stored, sir, in the memory area, whatever I showed. Is it editable, right?
Yes.
Respond. Is it editable,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In that memory, if you want, you can remove something. If you want, you can add something also. That thing is also possible. Okay, like that. Next, by default. Okay, if I'm not enabling those, one chart, next chart. So can you please consider both are completely independent or not?
Yes, sir. It is.
Respond.
Yes,
Is
yes.
from previous chart, is it going to consider information for the next chart? By default,
No.
No.
By default, no.
No.
Suppose in the first chart window, I'm currently in Hyderabad. Okay, can you please tell top tourist places in Hyderabad? Okay, like I asked, then it's provided. Now, a new chart I opened. There, what are the best hotels in this city? I asked. What are the best hotels in this city? I asked. Then what the response by default we are going to get? Immediately it's going to ask which is city. In the previous chat I provided Hyderabad city. Okay, like but no, I can't. So that's why we require to enable those two memory settings. I hope you were right.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
we are
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And after that, I covered one wonderful concept for you people: artifacts concept. Artifacts. What you really I got shocked like anything by seeing artifacts. Okay, so something like interest calculator, loan difference calculator, something like I created artifacts. What is the meaning of artifact?
Artifacts means, sir, common reusable output we can save as
Exactly.
a, yeah.
Common
Means for-
reusable output, which is going to be placed in the separate workspace. Have you remembered, right? Separate
Yes.
workspace,
Yes,
which is going to
yes,
be
sir.
placed in the separate workspace. Can I download that artifact and can I use offline?
Yes, sir. We can download also. We can publish also.
Next
Yes.
up, can I publish and can I share to the people artifact?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Possible or not? Yes.
Yes.
So reusable, okay, UI based or the dashboard kind of thing or the flowchart kind of thing. Okay, anything, man, which is going to be reusable. Okay, multiple times I want to use this, then automatically better to keep it as artifact. So that artifact, wherever it is required, happily I can use. Okay, like suppose there is one interest calculator, like I created one artifact. How many people remember that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I remember.
Yes, we created.
Yes, sir.
Light
I
bill
created
also.
one
Light bill calculator.
artifact. Okay, like now here just observe the calculator artifacts. Like if anywhere I require, then happily I will use these artifacts. Yes, here just observe that. Yes, so this artifact, who created this artifact? Interest calculator difference. Interest difference calculator. Who created this artifact? Okay, Claude. Is the reusable web page, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Reusable. Okay. So reusable components which is required multiple times. It may be the code, it may be a document, or it may be HTML file, it may be an image, it may be a flowchart. Any kind of thing, man. Once it is a reusable, multiple times we are going to use this. Then happily we can go for what? Okay, artifacts concept. Already we discussed in detail. Next,
Yes,
one
sir.
small point also I told, how many people remember? Create artifact. Is it required to mention in the prompt?
No,
Yes.
sir. It is
Okay.
recommended. Yeah.
By default, no. By default, no. Most of the times, if it is the reusable, Claude automatically recognize that. Automatically, Claude is going to recognize that. Yes, it's an artifact. That's why I'm going to do that. Okay, like. But if you feel was compulsory, Claude may recognize, may not recognize. Sometimes may not recognize. Claude, can you please consider? Okay, I want to create an artifact for this requirement. In future, I'm going to use this one. Or I want to share this artifact for my friends. So create as artifact only. If you are asking, then automatically compulsory it's going to create as artifact. Getting right? Reusable output,
Yes, sir.
which is going to be displayed in separate workspace on the right hand side. Chat window, right hand side, it's going to be displayed. Reusable, okay, reusable output, which is going to be placed in separate workspace, is by default considered as artifact. Okay, well, so this is about artifact story. And then I covered one wonderful concept named with the skills concept. How many people remember skill? Right,
Yes,
we
sir.
have that skill. We have
Yes,
this skill, like a
Yes,
skill
sir.
concept, like a. So Claude having multiple skills, predefined skills already there with the Claude. Canva skill. Okay, design case, Canva design skill is there. Is it there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that what will happen here? Because of having that skill, okay, what is the biggest advantage by default we are going to get is, do you know? So it can do some extra capabilities like. Next, moreover, can I define my own skill?
Yes, sir. We can create our own skill
Yes,
also.
we can create our own skill. How you can create our own skill? Have you remembered? There is a concept also I told. Okay, what is the way? How you can do that is, okay, here. Yes, where is the option? Can you please tell?
Profiles. Yeah, customize.
Customize. Okay, here customize. Customize
Skills.
option is there. Next
Skills.
after that, yeah, one minute. Customize. Next here skills is there. Connectors are there. Okay, skills like I'm taking. So do you know skills here? If you can use this plus symbol, browse or create, both the things are available. If I use browse, yeah, Canva design skill already added. Skill creator skill already added. Next, web artifact builder, MCP builder. Next, theme factory, brand guidelines. All these things are predefined skills. Remember this one, right? So, can I create my own skill or not? Yes, we can create our own skill also. Possibility is there, sir. So here.
In the plus icon in the
Yes,
middle.
here plus. So create skill, create with Claude or write skill instructions or upload a skill. Sir, write skill instructions. Okay, if I can take what is the name of your skill? Next and after that, what is the description? Yes, here we require to provide the instructions. Okay, instructions like we require to provide. So the biggest advantage of this skills concept is how many times we require to provide these instructions?
Only once.
Only
Only
once.
once. So am I required to specify every time all these instructions? No. Directly I can tell by using so and so skill. Can you please do this activity? By using so and so skill, can you please do this activity? A predefined instructions, reusable instructions, we can define as a skill. Here also, reusability is there or not? Dosto,
Yes.
reusability is there or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Reusability is there. Next, the Claude is going to
Sir,
get extra power for because of this skill concept or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, for the first time, do we need to ask it to remember the skill or remember this artifact?
Artifact means we are not, we have to specify the name of the artifact or name of the skill in the prompt by using Canva design skill or by using DURGASOFT, okay, DURGASOFT analysis skill. Please solve the following problem.
Yeah,
We
forward
have to
slash.
specify. Yes,
Yes, sir.
we have to specify in the prompt only name.
And sir, scope
Yes.
of this skill is to whole means all the projects, right?
All.
Yeah. Yesterday
Sir,
someone asked like this skill.md. Yeah, there is also skill.md and cloud.md. So there is a
Claude.
difference.
Yes.
Cloud.md is for project specification
For project,
and
project
skill.md is
specific.
for all. Yes.
Per skill, and that skill is available for total. Okay.
Yes.
Here, just observe. Employee feedback generator. Employee feedback generator. Is it my own skill or not? Okay. Employee feedback generator
Yes,
is
sir.
my own skill. Sir, have you observed right? Of course, it is disabled. Disable the skill. If you want, you can activate. Sir, here, when the skill is triggered, help the user to create so and so. These are my own instructions. These are my own instructions. Okay, by using these instructions, Claude is going to solve the problem. Okay, like, sir, can I enable this one? Respond. Can I enable this skill?
Yes, sir.
Based on our requirement, we can enable, we can disable, we can remove. Can I download this skill?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
download
sir.
this skill?
Three symbols are there. Yeah.
Can I share this skill to my friend?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
that friend is going to upload or not? Upload in his. So here I have download. Next replace, download. Like if I can create a skill plus a symbol, if I use create skill. Yes, here just observe this carefully. Upload a skill. Okay, my friend already created wonderful skill to me. He shared that skill to me. What I will do is I will upload that. Automatically that skill will be ready. A reusable set of instruction to perform a particular task in a customized way, then obviously we require to go for skills concept. Any doubt?
How will your friend send you the skill and where will you upload it?
Here only, right? Plus symbol, create skills, upload a skill. Drag that file.
Okay. Or if you want to create our own, here only, right?
Yes. Create your skill, create with Claude or write skill instructions. If I click write skill instructions, this is the place where you require to create the skill. Okay, I told already in the last sessions, right? Next, how I can use this skill? Okay, how I can use this skill? Sir, here you can specify. You can specify here directly by using. Okay, like in the theory you can specify so and so skill like you can use. Or otherwise, there is another way is also there. What is that way, sir?
Forward slash.
If I use forward slash, all available skills by default you are going to get. Canvas design, employee feedback report generator, Gemini TTS, skill creator, like automatically we are going to get that. That is the biggest advantage of this skills concept, right? Okay, the power of the Claude is going to be increased. Yes. Okay, best example for you people. Have you remembered that day I told as a use case, theoretical use case? Claude not having the capability to generate a speech for the given text. TTS facility is not there. Correct, right? Response.
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, by using Gemini, I create a skill. That skill I added. Then, whenever I'm asking Claude, can you please translate? Okay, this text into speech like automatically. It is going to use that skill. That skill is going to, by using that skill, there are some steps are there. Claude is going to communicate with Gemini. And by using Gemini TTS facility, it's going to provide, it's going to transfer. So adding these extra skills, the power of Claude is going to be increases or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Suppose
Yes,
sir.
Claude,
Yes,
Claude, can you please generate video? Can you please generate video for this idea? Is the Claude is going to generate by default?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No.
Response by default, is the Claude is going to generate? No way. No way. What I have to do is, I will add a video generation skill, my own skill. So, if anywhere user asking, create a video, take that scenario and communicate with the Gemini or communicate with the Flow. Okay, by using that, create a video. So, these are the steps and provide this video to the end user. Like now, by
Certainly.
adding my own customized skill to the Claude in a position to generate video or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So along with the skill, we
Yes,
need
sir.
to add like connector also, right? Because it's not available functionality.
Yeah,
for building it.
maybe MCP connections or otherwise connectors concept we may require to use.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So this is what is the skill concept. So skill means a reusable instruction set. Okay. How many times we require to use? How many times we
Only.
require to define? Only once. But how many times we can use this skill?
N number.
Multiple times. So predefined skills are available in the Claude.
Yes, sir.
Predefined
Like
skills are available in the Claude.
Yes, sir. Like for
Yes,
word
yes.
generation.
Customizer. Can I define my own skill?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I define my own skill?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Can I download my created skill and can I share to my friend?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
My friend can upload in his Claude.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. This is possible. Yes, all these things. I hope it's clear about Claude. I mean skills concept. And then I covered one wonderful concept for you people: connectors concept. The beautiful. So Claude can connect with the external apps like Gmail, Google Drive, next to Google Calendar, like multiple any other. So Slack, like how you can connect with the third-party apps from the Claude. For that concept, which you think is required, sir? Connectors concept. Have you remembered? So I told connect with my Gmail. From the Gmail, in the last 1 week, how many mails came? Can you please create a summary report of all the mails what I received in the last 1 week? If the Claude can do that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
How it's going to do? How it's going to connect with my Gmail?
With the help
By
of
using
connector.
Gmail connector is
Connector.
there.
Yes.
I told by using Gmail connector is there. Next, store this data in the Google Drive. Store this data. Create a PDF file and store that PDF file in the Google Drive. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. For that,
Yes, sir.
Google Drive connector we require to use. Okay, like sir, if you observe that, if you observe, sir, here customize. Okay, connectors concept, connectors are there. Okay, here all this is about Gmail. Okay, like connectors plus symbol, browse connectors, add custom connector also. Browse connectors. But anyway, I didn't explain anything about custom. Maybe if possible, I will. Canva, you can connect with the Canva, Notion, Figma, next Strava, like so Gmail, Slack, okay, Quick Note, Google Drive, Zoom for Claude, Google Calendar, like with all these things, happily, okay, you can connect, man. All these connectors are by default available. Okay, like now, if I consider these connectors, how many connectors I added? If you observe that, okay, how many connectors are there with me? Okay. Yeah. Here how many connectors are there, sir? Gmail connector already I added. Google Drive
Google
connector
Drive.
also I added. Next, Claude in Chrome. Chrome by default is already available. Okay, like this concept we discussed already in the last sessions. I explained clearly some examples also, right? Okay, like that. Next,
Yes.
yeah. Next and after that, yes, we had a discussion about there is a concept Chrome plugin. Have you remembered? Claude for Chrome. Claude for Chrome, like a Chrome plugin. So any operation by using Chrome browser, you are going to do by using just Chrome by using plugin. Happily we can ask. Suppose a page is there. In that page, all the text you require. Okay, in this page you require to analyze. And can you please provide the summary? Array Hyderabad to Bangalore tomorrow. What is the best flight rate available? Then it is going to open, in front of us, it's going to open Google and it's going to search, and the best flight timing it's going to provide for you people with respect to the cost. I explained, right? Have you remembered?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
Claude for Chrome. Claude for Chrome plugin. Okay, extension. Chrome extension. I explained. Next and
For
after that,
automation.
yes, automation kind of. Next and after that, we discussed about there is a framework. There is a car framework like for prompt pattern, prompt format, like I covered CCOR. What is the C?
Context.
CCOR.
Context.
C means context. Second
Context.
C means
Command.
Strings.
Command.
Context command, yeah.
Context.
Output.
Command.
Output.
Next output format.
Format.
Next last
And
one.
restrictions.
Rules and restrictions.
Rules or
Total rules.
restrictions like
Restrictions.
Can see this packet.
CCOR. Okay, CCOR. Like I discussed about that. Okay, because we are not required to spend much time on that because we discussed already in the prompt engineering. Multiple these type of things. CCOR. So earlier we used RTC-CO for the general chat. Okay, RTC-CO concept. Same thing only. CCOR is the thing. Next, yesterday, one beautiful concept I told. So for every project, so project means a reusable, correct, right? Reusable environment. How many times we record files, all the required stuff? Only one time. Only one time. Okay, only one time. So once I entered into that project, automatically the context, that environment will be there. Okay, like a project isolated environment, which is isolated for the remaining projects. If you want to do long-term activities, better to do with respect to the project kind of thing. Next, for every project, a separate file I define. What is that file?
Claude.md.
Claude.md. So,
MD.
Claude.md file. Okay. So, Claude.md file acts as a guide to the Claude while performing operations in this project. Okay, which rules I require to follow? That rules and regulations were available, sir, in this file. Claude.md file. Getting?
Yes.
That's
Yes,
what that is what you have to where you require to remember that. Okay, so these are the things what we covered in the last 10 days or so. Correct, right? The people who missed any of these, happily all these videos are there in the YouTube. Just to go through that with the 2x speed or 1.5x speed. Happily you can complete those things, right? Okay, like that. So now,
Cowork did you discuss, sir? Cowork also you discussed, right, sir?
Cowork also we discussed just for task activities like. Okay, Cowork, how you can do that Gmail. Next and after that files creation. Next folder creation, like a Cowork concept we discussed up to that. Okay, like now my question is just based on these concepts, can you please generate a 15 questions quiz and we will try to answer so that 1 or 2 new points also we may get. Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
excited.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Your revision is going to be happen at the same time. Okay. For so just MCQs. Claude is the best or ChatGPT is the best?
ChatGPT.
Can
No,
be
sir,
why
depends.
is going for
Depends, sir.
ChatGPT. Yes, my hand is always going for, okay, ChatGPT only. Okay, here just I practice one thing. So just let me go for this. Have a look once, sir. Create instead of 20, let me take 15. Create a 15 MCQs on the Claude concepts, Claude chart, Cowork, artifacts, skills. Sir, next skills, connectors. Okay. Next, skills, connectors, memory settings, Claude memory settings. Next, sir, CCOR,
Yeah.
prompt format. Next, sir, Claude.md, okay, like Claude.md file, like. So these are the words generally we discuss, sir. Sir, Claude chat, Claude Cowork, artifacts, skills, connectors, memory settings, next CCOR prompt format, Claude.md file. Okay, these words, sir. First, provide one question and wait for my answer. Validate my answer. Provide the learning conclusion and then wait for my confirmation and provide the next question. Okay, like that. So every time it's going to ask my wait for my confirmation, like that.
Chrome extension also.
Sir, we
Chrome.
can add one thing here.
Yes.
Cloud Chrome
Sir, we can
extension.
add one thing that the option should be random. It should not be consistently as B or C because we observe in most
No,
of the
it
cases
won't do that. It won't do
previously.
that. It won't. No, it won't do. It is not going to do that. Just now I
The answer
practiced
should
some
not
20
be
questions.
C always.
Okay. Answer. I thought that Aditya sir is telling some concept is missing, like. Answer should not be same always. Like only C always, like. Okay, anyway, it can recognize, don't worry. Any other thing am I missing? Can you please?
Cloud Chrome extension, if you want, you can try it.
Okay. Projects. Next, Claude for Chrome extension. Oh, perfect, dosto. Okay, so I will share this prompt for you because all concepts what we covered in the last 10 days, yes, covered. Okay, like now instead of 15, now let me take 20. Connectors already we covered, right? Yes, parents.
Sir, you can add levels also, I guess, like medium, high, like tough, like that.
Questions, huh?
Questions.
Yeah. No, not required. Okay. Just if you are practicing multiple, then we can. So the first at the beginning and then intermediate and then advanced, like we will.
Okay.
But let generate. So just we will check that. Yeah. So 1 to 20. What is the main purpose of Claude chat? To create and manage databases automatically, to have conversations with the Claude for learning, writing, coding, analysis, and problem solving, to install software on your computer, to send emails automatically without user interaction. Which one is the correct answer?
B.
To have conversations. Yeah, wonderful.
We'll give the left and right for Abhi.
B. Okay. So Claude chat is the main conversation interface where you can ask the questions, learn the concepts, write content, analyze the data, generate code, okay, brainstorm ideas and solve problems through natural language conversations. Sir, Claude chat, your A conversation workspace, okay, for thinking, learning, creating and solving problems. Perfect. Okay, learning conclusion is also there. Next, yeah. What is the biggest advantage of Claude Cowork? It only answers Claude Cowork biggest advantage, man. It only answers questions in the chat. It can work with the files, perform multi-step tasks, create documents, and compare real work for you. It is only user for image generation. It is
NG.
only used for translation. Which one is the answer?
Yeah,
B.
it is repeating the same answer.
Looks
No,
like it is
nothing.
false,
Just
not
maybe. Yeah. Maybe
Pointed
just
as.
need not be only for 1 or 2 questions, right? 20 are there. So here, Claude Cowork acts like a digital teammate. Digital teammate. Okay, remember this one. I told Claude, not Cowork. Claude,
What for you?
Claude Cowork, your digital colleague. Okay, with you parallelly, you can do. Really, believe me, sir. Today, not today. Yesterday also, I spent some time with the Claude. Today also, I spent 3 to 4 hours. I never feels that I'm working. Okay, someone is working, and I'm using that. Okay, like here 2 members are working together. Believe me. So my admin came afternoon at 12:30 or 1 o'clock. Sir, 3 hours onwards I'm working. Okay, like just I'm working. Seems to be full busy. Like, I'm not doing anything, man. Claude is doing everything. Just I'm copy paste. That is the activity I'm doing. Really, believe me, I didn't see what code it is generated. Also, I didn't felt interest first. That is your job, man. Why I have to search what code and so on? If it is working, well and good. If it is not working, just a screenshot I will share. Wow. How much easy our life, software engineer life, because of these AI tools, believe me. Single line code also we are not required to worry. Yes, you have to tell, is it working or not working? Okay. So Claude Cowork acts as digital teammate, digital colleague. Instead of just answering the questions, it can work on tasks such as creating documents, analyzing files, generating reports, organizing information, and handling multi-step workflows. Okay, Claude Cowork, AI teammate that helps complete actual work, not just answer the questions. Yeah, wonderful. Sir, what is artifact in Claude? Dosto, what is artifact in Claude? A special AI model, a storage location for files, yes, a separate workspace where Claude editable content such as documents, code, diagrams, dashboards, and reports, a browser extension. Which one is the correct answer? C.
C.
Our output pattern got changed. Yeah. Here, see, artifacts provide a separate workspace where the Claude can create and display editable outputs such as documents, code file, next flowcharts, dashboards, presentations, or reports. You can review and modify them without cluttering the chart. Okay, artifact, Claude's editable work area for creating and refining content. Okay, like a separate workspace. There only directly you can edit also. That option is also there. What is the primary purpose of Claude skill? To permanently store the chart history. To give Claude a reusable capability, workflow, calculator, dashboard, or specialized task that can be used repeatedly. Okay. To increase internet speed, to install new software on your computer. Sir, have you observed? This one is a very, very important. Very important. What is this one? Anyone can you please read this?
Reusable capability.
Reusable capability. To give Claude a reusable capability, workflow, calculator, dashboard, or specialized task that can be used repeatedly. Yes, a Claude skill is a reusable capability. For example, you can create a student performance dashboard skill, ROA calculator skill, meeting preparation skill, admission analysis skill, and use it again whenever it is required. Okay, skill, teach Claude a reusable job once, then it use many times. How many times you require to teach?
Only one
How many
time.
times you require to teach? Only once.
Only one time.
Only once. We require to teach. But how many times it's going to use? Multiple times, wherever it is required. Yes, what is the main purpose of connectors in Claude? Connectors. To connect with external apps to change Claude's color thing, to connect Claude with external apps and data sources, Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, and more, to improve computer hardware performance, to create artifacts automatically. Which one? B. Wonderful. Connectors, bridges that connect a Claude to your apps and data. What is the purpose of Claude memory settings? Wow, wonderful. Here, see this one. To increase computer RAM, to help a Claude remember useful preferences, instructions, and context across conversations, to store video files to improve internet speed. Which one?
B option, yeah.
B. Claude remembers important context to give more personalized help in future charts. Yes. In the CCOR prompt format, what does the letter C stands for? What is it? Code, context, chart, or connector? B means what?
Context.
Context. First C, context. Second C, command, output format, and then rules and restrictions. Okay. CCOR, context, challenge, outcome, requirements. Same. Context, challenge, outcome, requirements, like it's going to consider. Of course, here context, C means command or challenge, C means outcome or output requirements, output format. Next, R means rules or requirements. Good context, better AI results. Okay, the more relevant background you provide, the better Claude can help. Okay. Now, what is the main purpose of Claude.md file in Claude Cowork project? Yeah, wonderful. What is the purpose of MD file, man? Claude.md file. To store images, to save chart history, to provide project-specific instructions, standards, and guidance that Claude should follow while working, to install Claude on the computer. Which one is the correct answer?
C, sir.
C option. Yesterday only we discussed, right? Okay. A Claude.md file acts like a project handbook. It tells Claude how to work in that specific project, including coding standards, folder structure, naming conventions, business rules, and other important instructions. Claude.md project instructions file that helps Claude understand how the things are done here. Okay. What is the main benefit of creating a project in Claude? What is the main benefit of creating a project in Claude? It increases internet speed. It allows you to organize related charts, files, instructions, knowledge in one dedicated workspace. It automatically creates websites. It permanently stores all emails. Which one is the correct answer?
B, sir.
B.
It allows you to organize related charts, files, instructions, and knowledge in one dedicated workplace. B. Okay. A project helps keep everything related to a specific topic together. Charts, files, instructions, knowledge, and setting. For example, you can create a separate project for DURGASOFT marketing, student enrollments, real estate, and course creation. Separate project for marketing, separate project for enrollment, separate project for real estate or course creation. A dedicated workspace that keeps all related information organized in one place. What? What is the practical use of Claude for Chrome extension? Oh, Claude for Chrome extension, what is the practical use?
First option, yeah.
It can help
First
Claude
one.
understand and work with information from the web page you are currently viewing. It increases computer storage. It replaces Chrome browser. It installs operating system. Obviously, which one? Anyone can you please read this one? Anyone?
It can help
Claude
understand
understand.
and work with information from the web page you are currently viewing.
It can help Claude understand and work with information from the web page you are currently viewing. Okay. Next. So what is the answer? A. Okay. Now observe. Claude for Chrome. Bring the current web page into Claude's understanding so it can help you work with that content. Okay. Bring the current web page into Claude's understanding so it can help you work with that content. Yeah. Which CCOR element describe the final result you want Claude to produce? The final result you want Claude to produce. Which CCOR element? Which one?
Outcome.
Outcome. Final.
Outcome.
Final result means outcome. Output format or outcome like a C. Yes. Context. Tell the Claude exactly what final result you expect. Context means I run. Challenge means I need more enrollments. Task. Outcome. Generate a WhatsApp marketing campaign. Requirements are rules. Use a simple Indian English and include contact details. So outcome means the destination. Tell Claude exactly what you want to receive. Which statement is true about the connectors concept? Which statement about connectors is the true? A connector allows the Claude to access and work with the data from connected applications with the permissions granted. Connectors permanently store all your files inside Claude. Connectors can only connect to Gmail. Connectors are used for image generation. Which one is the correct answer?
Option A.
Yes, A. Connectors allow Claude to access and work with the data from connected applications when permissions is granted. Okay, connectors means secure access to external apps and data with your permissions. Next. Good man, everyone in the position to answer it seems. Okay. You created a skill called DURGASOFT Enrollment Analyzer. What is the biggest advantage of using this skill? Generally, what is the advantage of skill? Generally.
Create.
What are the advantages of skill?
Reusable.
We can create once and we can reuse.
How many times we are going to create a skill? Only one time.
Only one
How
time.
many times we can use
Predefined
that?
instruction.
Yes.
Multiple times.
Multiple times. We are not required to specify all those rules and regulations every time. Define all those rules and regulations as a skill. Okay? The process, the instructions, or the procedure, or rules and regulations, anything man, you can define inside the skill. As a skill, you can define. And just to spell out, by using this skill, solve this problem. That's all simple. We are not required to tell all the rules again and again. Okay, now what it is telling, same thing. You created a skill called DURGASOFT Enrollment Analyzer. What is the biggest advantage of using that skill? You must recreate the logic every time. The workflow and instructions can be reused whenever needed. It automatically increases website traffic. It replaces all connectors. Which one is the correct answer?
B option.
B. The workflow and instructions can be reused whenever needed. Okay. Once a skill is created, you don't need to explain the same process again and again. Claude can reuse predefined workflow, calculations, instructions, and outputs whenever you run that skill. Skills save time by turning repeated work into a reusable AI capabilities. Yeah, perfect. Next, in the CCOR prompt format, what does the letter R stands for? R stands for
Rules.
results, reports, requirements, resources.
Requirements.
Requirement. Rules are requirements like rules, restrictions, requirements, everything is the same. Okay. Rules, requirements, simple Indian English, maximum 200 words, include contact number and website. Okay, like the rules of the game. The clear rules, the better the output. Which of the following is the best use case for Claude.md file?
B.
Claude.md file. What is the one use case of the Claude.md file? Storing movies and videos, defining project rules, coding standards, folder structure, and the instructions that Claude should follow, increasing internet speed, saving browser passwords. Which one?
Yeah,
B,
B.
sir.
Defining
Option
project
B.
rules and
Claude.md file is per project, right?
Yes, sir.
Per project. MD means what?
markdown.
Markdown per project. Defining project rules, coding standards, folder structure, or instructions that Claude should follow with respect to that project. Okay. Now, a Claude.md file acts like a team handbook. It tells Claude how to work on a specific project, including naming conventions, coding standards, business rules, prepared formats, and important project information. Claude.md. Teach once, guide forever. Teach once, guide forever. Claude follows the project's instructions consistently. Yeah. Which feature helps Claude remember your prepared teaching style, writing preferences, and recurring instructions across conversations?
Memory setting.
Memory setting.
sir.
Which
C option.
feature helps Claude remember your preferred teaching style, writing preferences, and the recurring instructions across conversations? Which one?
Memory setting.
Artifacts, Chrome extension, memory settings, and connectors. Memory settings. By default, memory settings are disabled or enabled?
Disable.
Disabled. Limited.
Disable.
By default,
We
disable.
require to enable. Okay. Memory settings allow Claude to remember useful long-term preferences such as your teaching style, preferred language, formatting choices, and recurring instruction. So you don't need to repeat them every time. Memory settings. Personalized experience. Claude remembers how you like to work. Okay, like that. Next, you are viewing a DURGASOFT course web page and want Claude to create a brochure from that page. Okay, here see this one. You are viewing a DURGASOFT course web page and want Claude to create a brochure from that page. Which Claude feature is most directly useful? Memory setting, Claude for Chrome extension, Claude.md project.
Chrome extension.
Chrome extension.
You are already viewing the page. So based on the page, I want to create a brochure. Then obviously, which one is the correct option? Chrome extension.
Chrome extension.
B option.
The Claude for Chrome extension can understand the content of the web page you are currently viewing. You can ask the Claude to summarize the page, create brochure, generate FAQs, write social media posts, prepare marketing content directly from that web page. So Chrome extension, let Claude see and work with the current web page. Yes. Which Claude feature is the best for keeping all charts, files, instructions, and knowledge related to a single topic together?
Project.
Remember, which Claude feature is the best for keeping
Yeah.
all related charts, files, instructions, knowledge related to a single topic together?
Yeah, projects. You can create
Projects concept. Projects. Okay, projects helps organize everything related to the specific topic in one place. For example, you can create separate project for DURGA Sir marketing, student enrollments, AI course creation, real estate like that. So, a dedicated workspaces that keep related information organized and easy to manage. Okay, which combination is the most suitable for analyzing student enrollment emails automatically? Which combination is the most suitable for analyzing student enrollment emails automatically?
Connector plus cloud chart. B.
Connector plus Cloud. B. Option B.
most suitable for analyzing
Yeah.
student enrollment emails automatically. So first activity, I have to connect with the Gmail, I require to collect, and
Correct.
then I require to analyze. So here, this one is not going to work out. Connector must be required. That's
Yeah.
why connector plus Claude chat. Connector plus Claude chat. Yes, connectors connect Claude to Gmail, Claude chat, analyze, summarize, categorize, and generate reports from those emails. Read all enrollment emails from the last 7 days. Create a course-wise enrollment summary. Connectors provide the data, Claude chat provides intelligence. Together, they automate analysis. Okay. So, which of the following represents a correct CCOR prompt format order? Challenge, context, outcome requirements, context, challenge, requirements, outcome, context, challenge, outcome, requirements. Which one?
C.
Option C.
C.
Three
C.
options, sir.
CCOR. Yes. So, like context iron, challenge, outcome, requirements. Quiz completed. Congratulations. That's all. Congratulations for all.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you please take these 10 lines in your notes? Very, very important. Please take Claude chat. Claude chat. Conversation workspace. Please take. Please write in the notes. Claude chat. Conversation workspace. Just it is meant for conversations like respond like ChatGPT. Correct, right? Just it is a chat. Conversation workspace. What is the second one? Respond. What is the second one?
Cowork.
Cowork. AI teammate for real work. A digital assistant. A digital co-worker. That's why the name Cowork. Cowork means co-worker. Next up. Artifacts means editable workspace. A separate workspace is going to be created. A separate workspace is going to be created. Okay, there you can edit, you can share, you can download, you can reuse. Okay, like editable workspace. Skills concept. Reusable capabilities. Reusable capabilities. How many times we require to write skill?
Only once.
Only once. But how many times we can use?
Multiple
times. Next up. Connectors concept. What is the purpose of connectors? Connected to external apps. Like Gmail connector, Google Drive connector. Next up. Memory settings. Memory settings. What is the purpose of memory settings? Remember preferences across multiple charts. Remember preferences. CCOR. Context. Of course, challenge or command. Better to take both. Command or challenge. Okay. Outcome or output format. Outcome or output format. Next. Rules, restrictions, requirements. Like anything you can specify. Next. Claude.md. Yeah. What a wonderful single line. Project instruction file. Project instructions file. Claude.md. Project instructions file. Project instructions file. Next. What is the next one? Projects. Organized workspaces. Organized workspaces. Projects. Organized workspaces. Yes. Chrome extension. Work with web page content. Work with web page content. Everyone wrote right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What a wonderful concept, dosto. So, a beautiful summary. Okay, what we had.
Sir, we forget about dispatch.
What is that? Respond. You're asking. You're asking something. Mohan.
Internet problem, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Actually, it's voice is breaking.
My voice? Yeah. Yeah, is it audible?
No, your voice is very clear.
Yeah.
Your voice is clear.
Okay. Yes. So, wonderful, right? For the last 10 days, whatever we covered, a small, quick revision kind of thing happened.
Yeah, right, sir.
So that there is no way to forget.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the next we will talk about some small Cowork related things, and then we require to go for what? Yes. We have to go for next level. Okay, Cloud code, something like that. But anyway, so definitely I will cover all those things. But I expect by end of this month we are the masters in Cloud. Okay, that's all, friends. Can I stop?
Sir,
Any doubts?
please, sir, only one thing.
Yes.
Sir, did you get a chance to check the mail, sir, in DurgaSoft online? I check one email regarding some Claude documents is there.
Okay.
Please check, sir.
When you share?
2 times I sent, sir. Right now I sent just. For clear that certificate, some command or something they asking. So some dumps like some question is there.
So there are, I've seen on LinkedIn, there are some free certification by Anthropic.
Yes.
Cloud 101.
Those are things we will do that.
Okay, great.
Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Can you just share your mail ID?
viveksharma.iasc@gmail.com, sir.
Vivek Sharma.
.iasc.
ISC. Are you from ISC Bangalore?
No, sir. I like that name. That's why I created.
Last time also I asked the same, right?
Yes.
Yes. Claude code cheat sheet is one thing I got.
Yes, sir.
Next, Claude Anthropic Claude certification. certification information, right? This one,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
syllabus like.
Yeah.
No.
Sir,
We will try
Guru
to
here.
write at least a basic level certification, at least one certificate. Okay. Yeah, there.
Sir, Guru here.
Yeah, Guru.
Joined, sir. Now only I'm joining. I
Ayyo.
stocked in some production issue actually.
Yeah.
So, sir, so somebody is pinged in group like some MCQ question. So, did we cover any like new
Yeah. Revision.
today?
No, nothing. Just all the things whatever I covered in the last sessions. It is a revision kind of thing.
Okay, so it will be uploaded, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Vivek, I will share with the remaining people tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is there any chance to share?
When our extended video class will start, sir?
Yeah.
Which PDF is it? Pravina B.